Hey, what's good, family? So in this video, I'm going to talk about logic playback errors. This is a situation that I run into from time to time, and I'm sure that if I have the problem, there's probably many others that are experiencing it as well. So I found a solution, but let me just demonstrate what's going on with my session. As you can see, like when I play back, my session will stop at the same place every time. So let me just show you. It just stops on its own. No error message, no warning. I'm on strike. I'm not playing another bar. I quit. So it's driving me crazy. But fortunately, I found a solution, and it's very simple. It took me a while to figure this out. I can't believe how easy this is. But let me just show you. Like, I know we all have different computers, different systems, different specs. Everyone's running different software. In my session, I'd say it's got a lot of plugins, not too heavy though. I mean, not over the top heavy. I'm using a lot of Steven Slate plugins, a lot of Kush plugins, which are very, very excellent in my humble opinion. You should check them out, get demos if you haven't already. But yeah, like I said, nothing crazy. And if you look at my CPU meter when I play this back, it seems like this first one is peaking more than the rest, and then this last eighth thread is not even being used. So let's play it back from the same spot. You can see what it's doing. It seems to peak out at that one spot. This one peaks, and then it just, like I said, it just stops. So yeah, it's driving me crazy. So let me just, without further ado, let me just show you what I did to fix this. Hopefully this will help you. I go into my preferences. I select audio. We pull up the audio preferences screen. And if you see down here where it says multi-threading, playback and live tracks. So with my understanding, this dictates how Logic uses the multi-threading capabilities of your computer. I don't know, I can't really talk about it too intelligently, but that's just kind of what it is in a nutshell. And it's something I never paid any attention to. I never tried to change this. So the simple thing of just changing this, well, before I even do that, but playback and live, my understanding is the best setting if you're recording live tracks, live vocals, live instruments, that kind of thing. It processes the audio information a little bit better. But since I'm just working on mixing this track and I'm not recording anything new, I switch it over to just playback. And just the simple action of doing just that makes this whole thing go away. So I play it back from the same spot. As you can see, open up my CPU meter. The threading is acting differently. I mean, I don't know why that matters, but it just does. So
feelings of oppression, of simple conversation.
Yeah, so the problem goes away, even though my CPU is acting differently, but I'm able to work. My frustration is alleviated. So yeah, that's a very simple solution to a very complex problem. And I hope that helped some of you if you're experiencing the same thing, which I'm sure many of you are. And that's basically it in a nutshell. Yeah, so if you find this information at all useful, I would appreciate you subscribing or a thumbs up. Definitely a thumbs down if you think it sucked. But thanks again, and if you don't know, now you know, and I will talk to you all very, very soon.